Why are you doubting yourself? Okay, you know it works. You've seen me do it. You've seen countless other people doing rent to rent. So why are you still doubting yourself? Look, I'll be honest with you. One of the biggest things to overcome in rent to rent is the doubt. It's the fear. It's what happens if I can't guarantee the landlord's rent? It's what happens if something goes wrong? What happens if the landlord wants their property back? What happens if something and something and something and something? And you know what? Life's too short. So what I recommend is you want to get set up correctly. And if you want a copy of my free 12 steps, comment below and I'll send it you, right? Set up correctly. Make sure you're compliant and you've got your legalities right, and then just get on with it. Stop over procrastinating, stop overthinking, stop over everything. Get rid of the doubt, right? Focus on the fact that you've seen proof, you've seen us do it. I've done over 50 rent to rent deals. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying this definitely works. Would you agree? Okay. All right. And now all you got to do is execute it and following other people's steps that are doing it. Now, look, I'll be honest with you. There's times when it will be tough. I remember when I started and I had about 12 viewings where it was just no, 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 no. And you start to doubt yourself. You start to doubt the area. You start to doubt that it even works. You start to doubt because it's Article 4, or doubt because, you know, there's no properties in my area. Yeah, and it's all rubbish. So what you want to do is just focus on little consistent actions every single day. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And I promise you, if you stick to it, you will get your deal. If this is useful, if this is giving you the push that you need, just do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.